Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am Arushi and I am up with another video today, and this is gonna be my first ever haul video. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Watch this video if it is useful, or if you like it then do give it a big fat thumbs up, and comment down if you have any suggestions for me to make a video on any other topic. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. We will start from one of a thing that I have already shown in a short, which is this palazzo kind of lower bottom, whatever you say, pants, trousers. These are not pants, but yeah, whatever they are. This is from Sassafras brand, and I got it for around, I don't know, 400 something. Its real MRP is 800, I guess, and in sale I got discount. So yeah, this the material of this cloth is so comfortable, and I'm like मैं कहीं भी रैन एरेंस के लिए जाऊँ, या फिर अगर मुझे किसी कुर्ती के नीचे कुछ प्लाजो पहनना हो, या फिर कुछ भी, मैं आई गो विद दिस वन. It is really nice, a 10 on 10 and really breathable, stretchable material. And yeah, I would really recommend this for you guys. Okay, let me show you this top. जो मैंने अपने एक शॉर्ट में दिखा रखा है. This is also from brand Sassafras. It is really comfortable, but the only fact जो कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, वो इसका मटेरियल थोड़ा सा थिन है. So yeah, you have to be a little conscious, but काफ़ी स्ट्रेचेबल मटेरियल है एंड काफ़ी अच्छा भी लगता है ये. And yeah, if you want any of the links of these products, इनमें से कुछ भी, so do tell me in the comment section. I'll provide you with the link. So moving on to our next product we have is a sweatshirt from H&M, green rhinestone embellished sweatshirt. It is in size small and it is really comfortable, like a cropped sweater, I guess. But मेरी हाइट थोड़ी छोटी है, इसलिए ये मेरे लिए क्रॉप नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ओवर साइज ज़रूर है. एंड इट इज़ इन ग्रीन कलर with a really nice quality, and I got it for around 900. It has embellishment all over the sweatshirt of rhinestones. So yeah, it looks really cool. A little problem is that the picture जो उसमें दिखाई हुई है ऐप में इस प्रोडक्ट की, वो थोड़ी सी सी ग्रीन, ब्लूइश ग्रीन है. तो आई एक्सपेक्टेड समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट ये भी teal green color बोलेंगे इसको, I don't know, but it is nice, so I kept it. Next product we have is women's blue flared parallel trousers from Tokyo Talkies. It is in size 28 for me, and the quality is really amazing. This is what I'm talking about. These pants are, I mean, like really comfortable, and it looks casual yet classy. So it was after these pants that I saw this top on Sassafras, and I thought of it will get a really matching kind of outfit. So I bought this top after seeing this. And yeah, talking about, these are really comfortable and really trendy. So there was an influencer wearing these kind of slippers on kurti and jeans, and then she was wearing it on joggers and normal t-shirt also. And I thought, bro, this can work on both kind of outfits, so I got these. The quality, the size and everything is really nice, but the only fact I feel is these slippers are like really soft, and what if they get torn or breaks from somewhere, I don't know. Yeah, but I hope these pass the test. So these are from brand Muzafia, women's blue rubber slippers, and this is, I got it in size 5, and it costed me around 500 rupees, and the quality is worth the money. So next product is really chotu sa, but is really important also in every girl's makeup routine. This is a lipstick from Maybelline again. I have this in so many shades, so many different shades, but I always fear that what if that is not a red color, because the red color that I want is really like a proper red, and the shade they have are so many. I mean, I cannot recognize only ki this doesn't look like red. I mean, what if there is something else, and I don't want the jhanjat of returning again and again. The products are, I don't know. If you want a proper red shade, then this is for you guys. 634 is the shade number, and the shade name is Bold Crimson. It is proper red and it is really affordable. Go for it. Our next product we have is a short kurti. I saw Janvi Bhatia wearing it in one of her videos and it looked really comfortable yet no short clothes and casual kind of thing. So I had to buy it, and this is what I'm talking about. You must have seen it. It got really trendy at some point, I guess, because मैंने भी बहुत जगह देखी थी ये. But I was a little skeptical about it. But then मैंने कहा कि चलो एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं. So जो भी मैंने इसकी तारीफ करी, it is for real and it is in material cotton and you get these drawstrings. So अगर ये थोड़ा सा भी आपको लूज आ रहा है, मुझे तो obviously आ रहा था, तो फिर आप उसको थोड़ा सा टाइट भी कर सकते हो and it really enhances your body curves. And this is the best investment I have done. And yeah, okay, so we have our last product, which is my favorite and I kept it for last. This is a sweatshirt from H&M. This is what I'm talking about. And so it has Coca-Cola written all over it in different languages, and it is really comfy, and I have ordered it in size small. I guess the quality is, everything is 10 on 10 and it is my most favorite one. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I got it at around 1200, I guess, and the quality is worth the money, definitely. Also, if you guys get annoyed by me putting filter on my videos, so let me clarify first that I am going through severe skin problems, and that's why I haven't done makeup anytime soon since 2-3 months. I have this thing that I should look pretty in my videos, which is a really wrong thing. You should accept your skin. I accept, but I hope it makes sense to you, and if not, then I don't care. I'll do whatever I want to do. So here we come to an end to this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want any of the product links, then do comment. I will be happy to share the links with you guys. The next part of this haul will come soon. I hope you like this one, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet.